Hello YouTube, Koreyexpress2 here, and Putnam is getting ready to have a fire drill today, so watch out for that. And here we go.
An emergency in the building. Please walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. Attention please. Signal from to enter chicanery for an emergency in the building.
Just don't, we're gonna...
Attention please. Signal from to enter chicanery for an emergency in the building. Please walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. Attention please. Signal from to enter indicator report of an emergency in the
You're
building.
saying emergency, so is this like practice?
Yeah, it's a drill.
Oh, it's not a fire
And then,
drill.
it is a drill right now.
I'm sorry, Miriam, we had gloves in the back.
We're gonna
So
we're gonna meet a halfway point here.
Yeah. What?
We're gonna meet a halfway point because it's not gonna be that long. It's not like a 10-minute wait.
That's why I'm gonna take my time because my legs
Mm-hmm.
body hurts. I took a time.
Mm-hmm. So you guys see is the whole building is going off. And it's a voice evac, so if some of you guys know that you're trying to ask me about what announcement it is, it's a lady voice evacuation on a panel in front of the school. Let's see, the fire trucks are here. Yeah, you can hear in front of the door. They're still doing it. Nope, I don't see no fire trucks. Nope, no fire trucks.
Why? Yeah, but the bus
That light over there blinks for the fire alarm.
What? Go by this.
The structure was not sound. Shouldn't move.
We should move on, but I'm waiting for others to catch up.
Inside, outside, everything I should like.
Hit me up.
Guys, you gotta come on. You can't be me the building. You gotta come on this way. So usually they'll tell us to go back in about like 2 seconds, but they're doing the whole building. Yep, they just silenced the alarm. They silenced the alarm right now. So I'm gonna get a word right now and see what's going on. I think it's okay to go back in now. So. Alright, I'll see you guys later.